how to connect Simplified AI to your Google Drive account. To begin, open up Simplified AI by clicking the link provided in the description below. Once the page loads, log into your existing account or sign in using your Google account for a seamless experience. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Simplified AI dashboard. In the top right corner of your screen, locate the gear icon and click it. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the Connected Apps option. Click on it. Now that you're on the Connected Apps page, go ahead and click the New Connection button located in the top right corner. A new tab will pop up, showing the available websites you can connect to. Look for the Google Drive option and click on it. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to connect with Simplified AI. Choose the appropriate account. Make sure to check the boxes granting permission for Simplified AI to access your files and information related to your Google Drive. This is necessary for the smooth integration. Scroll down, then click Continue to proceed. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Google Drive account to Simplified AI. If you ever change your mind and want to disconnect Google Drive from Simplified AI, simply navigate to your Google Drive account. Look for the three-dot menu and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Disconnect and confirm by clicking Yes.